So in the last video, I showed you guys how to create the advisory. And this one, I'm going to show you how to edit an advisory. One, you can click on this edit button and you'll go to that edit screen. Two, if you go up here into the content menu again, instead of going down to add content, just click right on this word content. And that will take you to a list of all the content on the site. So you'll notice two things here. One, the site changed its look. This is this blue and gray sort of color scheme. That indicates that you're in the back end of the site, that the public doesn't see this site. You have to be logged in to see this stuff. Anytime you're looking at the other style that looks like it looks to the public can see that. So it's my way of just differentiating the two. So again, we clicked on this content word up here and got to this list of all the content on the site. And you can see there's a whole bunch of content in here. There's a bunch of sponsors. And here's our avalanche advisory. It's the most recent thing we built, so that's what we see. It's ordered in that way. And you can see it's of the type advisory. There's lots of other types in here as well. So if I wanted to edit this, I could click edit here, or I can click on this and then go to that edit tab. So again, to edit the advisory or any other content for that matter, you can go in here, find the piece of content you want to edit, and click edit. Let's say I wanted to edit Kevin's bio. I'd go here to Kevin and be like, oh, he's a person, and I'm going to edit him. Boom. Or if I wanted to edit the weather page or the danger scale page or any of this stuff can be edited just by clicking on the edit link. So let's say the avalanche problems definitions. That's just a basic page, which is sort of probably what you're used to working with on your old site. And if I wanted to edit that, I could click on that and get to see the page and be like, oh, I need to change this word. Okay, great. I'll hit edit and go in, and it should load an editor where I can be like, oh, here's a list of the various avalanche problems. And instead of mentioned, I want to say used in our advisory, and a quick definition for each one. Great, that's all I wanted to change. So I will scroll down here and hit save. Great, so again, if I want to edit the advisory or any other piece of content on the page, I go up here to this content menu and click on the word content to find that list, or if I happen to be on that page and there's an edit tab right here, I can click edit. So again, to get to all the list of content, click there. So since we started out wanting to edit the advisory, let's edit the advisory. Instead of going to the advisory page, I'm going to go here and click edit that. And you'll see I get to the same screen I was on before, in which I can change whatever it is I want to change. I can change the danger rows to something different. I can change the wording. I can add another avalanche problem, do whatever. But it won't save it automatically. I have to go down here and hit save to save that content. Great. So that's how you edit content.